Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dustin Feyder, the author of the book about Twilight, and new on shelves now, The Storyteller, available at Blur Books. I just noticed that my web camera is not centered, so I'm going to quick adjust that. Boink. So, I want to come on for a moment today and talk about words and the way we use them. I've been thinking about a lot of statements that are pretty common in our culture, and wondering exactly what do the bits and pieces of them mean, and why were they chosen the way that they were. A statement that we see every day in print is, "In God we trust." I'm going to write that across the bottom of the screen. Well, if you break that down, it's a fairly simplistic statement, but I don't know if it has any meaning. In is basically a possessive term describing a location. We describes a person or a people's. Trust. That's one of two words in the statement that I don't know if I fully understand what it means. Mostly because the word that comes before it is God. Now, I'm pretty sure everybody already knows that I'm an out-of-the-closet atheist. I have told you this before. I was born Catholic, I was raised Lutheran, I was baptized into Mormonism. I dibbled and dabbled in polytheism, paganism, and ultimately settled on agnostic atheism. So, would the statement make more sense to you, me, everyone, if the statement were, "In each other we trust"? That has a little more weight, doesn't it? You still have the same beginning. In, possessive. Each other. Each other is a word that I like. It implies much more, something much more tangible, something much more visceral, I guess. Let's not hang up on that one too long, though, because I see I'm already up to 3 minutes on my timer here. Another one that I've been hearing a lot lately is, "The nature of God is good." What about "The nature of man is good"? That's one that you can do statistics on. You can look that up. That might actually be a honest statement. Mostly because we are a social animal, and that being the case, we encourage behaviors that, help us survive. And in large, aggressive behavior is not conducive to the interest of the tribe. There can be no good without God. I think you see what I'm getting at here is the word God only makes sense if you're a member of the cult that uses that word. Because otherwise, there's no characteristics attached to the word that possess any amount of weight. I believe that TJ on The Amazing Atheist had said pretty well the idea that to people who are not in X church, the name of X character possesses no weight because person Y over here believes that this is history. Person Z on the other side thinks this is fiction. You see, the statement doesn't change if I would say the nature of Super Mario is good, which is the example that TJ used, and somebody actually argued the shit out of him on that one, which I found to be pretty funny. So, that's the proposition I'm making, I guess. I think we should start saying in each other we trust. Anyway, that off my chest, I'm going to go ahead and say thank you very much. Have a good day.